Today we discuss about the JAM Physics question paper of 2017. Here the question from the thermal physics. Here the equation is TdS is equals to du plus PdV, and using the appropriate Maxwell's relation along with the expression for heat capacity Cp, the derivative del P del T at constant S for a substance can be expressed in terms of heat capacity Cp, density rho, and the coefficient of volume expansion beta, and the temperature is T. For I is Cp, rho, and beta is given. If the value of del P del T at constant is at 270 Kelvin is n into 10 to the power 7 Pascal per Kelvin, then the value of n is what? And the value of n is what? So, from Maxwell's equation we can write from Maxwell's equation, the Maxwell's equation del P del T at constant S is equals to del S del V at constant P. This is from Maxwell's equation. Here S is the entropy, V is volume, P is pressure. So this del S can be written as del S del T into del T del V. Is S is derivative is with respect to del T at constant P. So now we can written as del S del T at constant P into del T del V at constant P. Now if we multiply this with T, so T into del S del T at constant P into 1 by T into del T del V at constant P. So now we all know this TdS is equals to dQ is equals to PdV plus du. du is the internal energy and PdV is the work done. So here this dQ is equals to TdS. So from this now we can write this T of del S del T at constant P into 1 by T del T del V at constant P. This equals to TdS means dQ. So del Q divided by del P at constant P into 1 by T del T del V at constant P. So this can be written as del Q del T at constant P can be written as M.Sc, mass into specific heat capacity at constant P. This into 1 by T del T del V at constant P. So now we all know this M equals to rho into V. Rho is the density and V is the volume. So now this rho into V into 1 by T into Cp into del T del V at constant P. So this can be written as P Cp, this is rho not the P, rho Cp divided by T into V del T del V at constant P. Then we can written as this equals to rho into Cp divided by T into 1 by V into del T del V at constant P. Here we know the volume expansion beta. Here we know the volume expansion beta is equals to V into del V del T at constant P. So here this is P Cp divided by T into, here this beta is 1 by V into del T del V at constant P. Here the beta is 1 by V into del V del T at constant P. This is the beta. This is the volume expansion, not this. So here we can write this del V del T. As this is reciprocal of this, so 1 by V into del V del T at constant P. So this equals to rho into Cp divided by T into 1 by beta. So we know the value of density is 10 cube and the value of Cp is 2010, value of T is 270 and value of beta is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4. This equals to 4.65 into 10 to the power 7 Pascal per Kelvin. Here this is given n into 10 to the power 7 Pascal per Kelvin, where n equals to 4.65. This is the answer for this question. The n equals to 4.65. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can comment in the comment box and contact us in this number. This is 98367 You can WhatsApp us also in this number. This is 98367 So that's all for today.